how to connect Godaddy domain to a flow in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Godaddy domain to a flow. So for that, to connect a Godaddy domain to your workflow or site in 2025, you'll need to update your domain DNS record within Godaddy 2.0 flow. So first of all, you have to access DNS settings in Godaddy. So for that, you have to go to godaddy.com official website and log in or sign in to your account. And after that, you have to go to your domain management area, locate the DNS zone file or DNS management sections, and then you have to add a record in GoDaddy. In GoDaddy's click, you have to click on Add Record and select A as the record type and set the host to @ or leave it blank and enter the first IP address provided by Webflow in the points to field. And after that, you have to set the TTL time to live to 1 or 2 hours to the recommended setting and add another A record with the second IP address provided by Webflow. So you have to register or log into your Webflow account, and after that in GoDaddy you have to select Add Record and choose CNAME as the record type, and for the host enter www. And after that you have to for the point to field enter proxy.webflow.com, set the TTL to 1 to 2 hours or the recommended settings, and then you have to set up Webflow. Navigate to your Webflow project setting, go to hosting tab, click on add custom domain, enter your domain name, and after that Webflow will provide you with the necessary record and CNAME value. And in Webflow designate either the www or non www web version of your domain as the primary domain, and it may take up to 48 hours for the DNS changes to propagate. If your counter issues, double check your DNS records in GoDaddy and ensure they match the values provided by Webflow. Consult Webflow's documentation for troubleshooting. So that's how you connect GoDaddy domain to Webflow in 2025. See you in the next video.